Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are well and stay safe at home. Today I am going to give you a lesson for class 6 English first paper. So I hope you will participate in this class actively. Let's go through the lesson. Welcome. I am Mr. Amrish Mandi, Assistant Teacher English, St. Philip's High School and College. English for today, class 6, lesson 14, page 43. Look at the picture. Here is a picture of flag and National Mausoleum. What can you see in the picture? These are the pictures of our National Mausoleum and National Flag. Aren't they? What are they for us? They are our pride. So, dear students, our lesson is our pride. Learning outcomes. After finishing this lesson, you will be able to read and understand text, ask and answer questions, write short paragraph, participate in short dialogues and conversation on familiar topics. Before going to the text, I would like to teach you some vocabulary. First of all, you see victory. What is the meaning of victory? The sign is given victory. The meaning is win. In a sentence, we can say December 16 is our victory day. Surrender. Surrender means admission of defeat. Admission of defeat. Here you can see the Pakistani army are surrendering. On 16 December 1971, the Pakistani army surrendered unconditionally. War. What is the meaning of war? Fighting. Meaning of war is fighting. We achieve our freedom after a war. Martyrs. Sufferers for a holy cause. They are the martyrs of our motherland. We should pay our deep respect to the martyrs. Innocent. Innocent means blameless. In sentence we can say the baby is innocent. Celebrate. Observe. Meaning is observe. In sentence we can say they are celebrating our victory day. They are celebrating our. Here you can see in the picture. Let's go through the text. For the people of Bangladesh, March is the month of unforgettable memories of pride as well as sorrow and grief. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who declared the independence of Bangladesh on 26th March 1971. Let's see some pictures. These are our pride. Our pride. You can see here how we celebrate our Independence Day. How we celebrate, all these pictures shows that how we celebrate our Independence Day. Now, 26 March is our Independence Day, which we celebrate annually with pride and joy. 26 March. Our sorrows and grief. So you can see here in the picture also, March is also a month of sad memories for us. On the 25th March 1971, in the darkness of the night, the Pakistani army swooped down upon and killed many unarmed men and women and children in Dhaka. However, the Bengalis soon rose in heroic revolt and war of liberation began. These are the pictures of our freedom fighters, how they revolt and raised against the Pakistani army. In your textbooks, you will get the text, full text is given here. You will get in page 43, and you should read this text carefully. I hope you will read at home, and now I ask you to match the words with their meaning. There are some words in column A and column B. Unforgettable, independence, celebrate, soaked, revolt, martyrs. So you have to match the word from the column B. Revolution, falling on, sacrificial victim, freedom, memorable, make famous or party. I hope you will try, but for you I will solve this question. Let's try. Unforgettable means memorable. Independence, freedom. Celebrate, make famous. Soaked, falling on. Revolt, revolution. Martyr, sacrificial victim. Now, I will ask more words in column A with a word in column B that has similar meaning. So we can practice here also. Here is written annually, heroic, liberation, surrender, and your pledge. In column B, you will get courageous, freedom, once a year, promise to bear, to admit defeat and give up. Let's solve this problem. Annually, once a year. Heroic, courageous. Liberation, freedom. Surrender, to admit defeat and give up. Endure, to bear. Place promise. Here you will get some questions, short questions. I will ask you to find out the answer from the text, and I hope you will write in your khata at home. Why do we feel sad on our victory days? Number B. The night of 25th March is often called the dark night. Can you say why? Why do you think we celebrate 26th March as our Independence Day? Number D. How many months did we fight to achieve victory in our War of Independence? These are the questions I give you for find out the answer from the text and write down in your khata. At the same time, I would like to give you some homework. Here is the picture. I hope you will get which book it is. You have an advanced grammar book given referred by the school, and you should practice model question 12. Advanced grammar book, specially we will practice question number 1, 3, A and B and 6. Okay? That's all. And thank you. Goodbye.